Welcome back, witches, wizards, and muggles. Don't forget to subscribe because you do not want to miss anything that's in this noble collection box. Let's open it. We are back with that same box from the last video. We want to get this box empty, so let's see what's in it. Narcissa Malfoy. This time we got a purple box. Harry Potter logo. And the protective foam. And here we have it. Narcissa. Narcissa Malfoy's wand right here in our hand. And as always, the amazing must-have name tags. So here we have Narcissa Malfoy's wand. From that stamp to the tip of the wand, back down to the handle. This arguably belonged to one of the best moms in the Harry Potter series. Now hear me out. But first we're going to take a closer look at this wand. If you look at the very end of the wand, right below the handle, it looks like it was carved into a tip. It's a gray color. The whole entire wand is made of resin. And if you look between the handles, it kind of resembles Lucius Malfoy's wand. And if you look at the handle itself, it's covered in bumps, which I would imagine would give it a better grip. Going down the handle a little bit more, you got some more gray designs. And if you just travel down the length of the wand, it's smooth. It's almost perfect down to its tip. And again, you have the amazing golden name tag, Narcissa Malfoy. Now, Narcissa Malfoy's wand is of unknown length, unknown core, and unknown wood. But, again, we're in the Muggle world, and we have these weird contraptions, measuring tapes, rulers, and we use them to our advantage. So we know that this measures 13 3/4 inches. And this wand, we also know, was made around 1966, and it was bought in Ollivanders. But that's all we know about this wand. Like I said in the description, if you look between the handles, it closely resembles Lucius Malfoy's wand. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I do have a video of his wand. Go ahead and check that out. I'll pop it down in the description. But Lucius Malfoy's wand has these gear esque type of, I don't know, designs on his wand, but they're metal. His wand is metal. His wand is amazing. This is pure resin. This is pure resin. This is a nice wand, although I am not a big fan of the design. I don't know why. I think it's a little cheesy for me with the silver paint on it and the silver tips on the handles to create the bumps. It is nice. It is a nice one, but for me, it's a little cheesy. It's reasonably stiff. I don't see any imperfections on the wand because Nova Collection just does a super fantastic job at producing their wands as if, you know, they're custom making them for everybody. Now back to what I was talking about. Narcissa Malfoy is arguably one of the greatest moms in the Harry Potter series. Why? Well, she wants nothing but good for Draco. You know, Draco Malfoy. He lost his wand to Harry Potter in the Malfoy Manor. And after that, she surrendered her wand to him. His mom. It's unknown if she used another wand. Maybe in the books I might recall it. I can't remember the books off the top of my head. But she surrendered her wand to him. She went to Snape when she found out that Draco had been chosen to kill Dumbledore, he who must not be named, put him in charge of ending the life of one of his greatest threats in Dumbledore. And she went to Snape to ask him to do it. Bellatrix was there, and they did the unbreakable vow. She did that to protect Draco. And honestly, if you look at her character, I don't see any wrongdoing in her. What she was doing, and what Lucius was doing for that matter, was out of fear for what the Dark Lord would do, out of fear for the punishment, out of fear for the power that the Dark Lord held over their heads. But Narcissa made it more plain. She was out to protect her family. She was out to protect her son. When we went to the forest, when Harry Potter chose to kill the Horcrux that was inside of him, she was concerned about Draco. She felt for a pulse. She felt a pulse, and she asked, "Draco, is he alive?" And Harry nodded his head. And at that moment, if you didn't already think that she was a good person, she turned around, looked at the Dark Lord in his eyes. The Dark Lord. A skilled wizard in Legilimens who could just know if someone's lying just by looking at them. You don't want to lie to the Dark Lord. She looked straight at him in the face and said, "Dead." So that character, she is an amazing character. She is a character that wants to take care of her child. Again, the Malfoys were caught in a bad spot. They didn't quite know what to do. They wanted to protect their family. They wanted to protect themselves. They wanted to protect Draco. So they did what they thought they had to do. If you watch at the end of the movies, like I said, I can't recall the books. The Malfoys ran away. When Harry Potter came back, when everybody thought he was dead, the Malfoys turned around and literally ran away. They fled. Because they were good people. Just caught up in the wrong situation. But as far as this wand goes, this is an amazing wand. Like I said, it's not my style, but, I don't know. I just don't like a lot of paint. Some of the ones I feel like they have more of like a stain look to it. But as far as, the quality of this wand, my opinion aside, this is a great wand. And there we have it, everybody. Narcissa Malfoy's wand. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing and my detail and my review of her wand and her character. And stick around. Hit that subscribe button. Tap on that bell button because I have a lot more videos coming to you. Now that we're done with this amazing custom bookshelf, I can get back to what I do. Stick around, everybody. Come back next week. I will be here. Knox!